Hello fam, welcome back to another video here in the channel. Today I'm just basically coming here to just speak a little bit with you guys about the sneaker culture nowadays, about not just the sneaker culture, but about actually the lazy collabs that we've been getting. I think they are getting worse, except some, but most of them are getting worse, not just with Nike, of course, but with basically anything, right? So let's just stop and think for a moment. Yeah, what do you think about the sneaker culture right now, guys? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments first. I would love to hear it from you as well, because maybe it's just me or not, right? Maybe I'm not alone in this. So my first thing is, sneaker culture nowadays, it's now coming back to that state that it's all about the new releases, it's all about the hype on the shoes, and what shoes are hyped and what shoes are people speaking about on TikTok and on Instagram, on anywhere. Is this a Travis release? Is this, I don't know, I don't even need to see the color. It's, you know what I mean, right? It's just sneaker culture nowadays is a lot of like, let's just follow the hype. And you know that back in the day, of course the shoes were hyped, but it was really not about it. It was really about getting that fresh pair of Jordans that you and your mates are trying to get, and you actually like the shoe and you will wear them, you will tear that shoe apart, guys. Okay, that was what the sneaker culture was all about. I know that reselling, always, it's always there. It was in the past, but anyway, it was different, right? The lines the lines that you had on release day on the shops, I actually didn't really had a chance to actually cop one from the stores. And okay, I know that we have the Nike SBs and they are released on skate shops, but still, I think we missed a lot of that culture that we had, right? The culture today on sneakers, it's all about the hype and all about the resale value. That's the truth. That's the hard truth, guys. That's really about it today. If you go to any school, talk to any of your mates, especially the younger generation, right? On the, I don't know, 16s and 17s, and that, if you go there and talk to them just a little bit about sneakers, they will, two things. They will probably say, okay, if it's a Travis release, the shoes are amazing, you know? Second, if it has resale value, if they can make some money into it. So I don't know. I know that a lot of you guys think that resell probably keeps the game alive, the sneaker game alive, but I don't think that way. I actually enjoy to wake up, get that feeling of getting those sneakers on release day, and sometimes I actually like to buy shoes that no one is really caring about. We had amazing shoes that are still sitting in stores, guys. Okay, the black cements were sitting in stores. You know, right? The black toes are sitting today in stores. It makes not much sense, right? You still have the Jordan 3 the Jordan 3 Red Air collection. It's still all over the place, guys. You can go into almost any sneaker shop, or you can go online on the Nike and just grab them, right? So you see what I mean, right? It's a little bit strange, because those sneakers, if it was like 2 3 years ago, they would instantly sell out. Similar to Dunks, right? What happened to Dunks? Dunks are completely dead, except the SBs, right? Because again, I don't know. I think it was the Panda fever. I think it was the ice stock that Nike started to put so more people could grab the shoes, and I think that kind of killed a little bit the game for a lot of you guys. Of course, one thing is, if I have a pair of Jordans and I go outside and I see everyone wearing it, it's like, yeah, I know we are only the same shoes, but it's great to see, right? It means that people are actually enjoying the sneakers and wearing them, and they are happy about the sneakers, right? It's not all about exclusivity, guys. Unfortunately for me, it's not, right? For instance, you have a lot of lazy collabs that came out this year. There's rumors on the next Fragment collab. I will leave somewhere on the screen the shoe. It's just lazy. It's just lazy. I don't know. It's just a black and white shoe. It doesn't even have the Fragment colors, which is the blue. You know it's the blue. So I don't know. It looks lazy, right? The Yamaman Air 3 is diffused blue. I love that shoe. I am actually waiting for that shoe to come on my birthday, to be honest. But that shoe is a little bit lazy, right? It's just a white Jordan 3 with an aged sole in the end. It's just that, guys. So it's a little bit lazy. You had the Bape and Adidas collab recently. They actually collabed on a superstar. That Adidas shoe, and to be honest, guys, it was really bad. It's still sitting in stores, right? First, the superstar shoe, it's not comfortable. We already know that they are hard as hell on your feet. But anyway, a lot of you guys like that shoe, right? So you have the superstar shoe, and then you have Bape. If you had Bape on any of other collabs back in the day, this was an instantly sellout. Now it's not, because people are reading what the other guys really are speaking about it, and what the market is actually driving people to. For instance, we have a perfect example that now comes on 30 April, which is the Bright Cactus, the Jumpman Jack Bright Cactus. The first look at that shoe, the shoe is just awful. Okay, not because of the silhouette, because I do like the silhouette and I do like the other colorways. We had the University Reds, they look amazing. We had, I don't even know they are mochas. I don't know if they are mochas, but guys, those two colorways are amazing. And I like the silhouette, but a bright one, I don't think it even fits. It's like bright green with beige. I don't know. It looks a little bit weird, and I think people are just trying to convince themselves that that shoe is amazing. But, and I've heard that on Europe you only have access to 5,000 pairs. You know what is this? 5,000 pairs to an ugly shoe. Um, I don't know, guys. I'm saying it's ugly because it's my own personal taste, but of course, maybe you like shoes in bright green. I don't know. They look like running shoes to me. But that's just my opinion, okay? But I think this was just basically me speaking a little bit, because I've been thinking about this, and all the conversations I have with people that actually enjoy sneakers always drives to a single conclusion, which is resale value. Is this from Travis Scott or not? you know, and yeah, actually, the Amamanetris diffuse blue, they sold out. But when Amamanere tried to do something a little bit different with, I think it was the While You Were Sleeping Jordan 3s, this model right here that I actually have and I love it, people look at that shoe, it's something a little bit different, it's not white, and people see, no, no, I won't buy it. And that shoe you can probably grab under retail today. Okay, it's crazy. That's just crazy. The shoe is amazing. It's something different. We need to support brands on doing this. Okay, I know that there are brands that do some weird stuff, but that's not the point, right? If we see something a little bit different, that maybe let's give it a shot, guys. That's what I did with those threes, and I love them. It's probably my favorite pair of threes at the moment. Um, and yeah, I actually got a lot of dunks as well, and I don't know why they were sitting. You have the gum ones which are gray. Nike did a huge restock. These actually sold out, but you can still grab them in stores. But people didn't really like them, you know. Um, but yeah, that's enough. That's basically my points, guys. Which is one, let's keep the sneaker culture as it should be. Okay, let's work on that way. Let's not just look at the resale value and try to monetize on sneakers. I know that a lot of you guys make a living this way, and that's fine. I will not criticize you guys, but still, it's bad, right? it's still bad. So first one, let's try and keep the sneaker culture alive. Let's let brands risk it a little bit. Let's let Nike risk it a little bit. Nike actually risked on the Jordan retro red airs and the Cinnabars, right? And people don't go into those shoes basically. So that's why brands stop giving that work. They stop trying. They just give you the same shoes over and over again. So yeah, guys, this was just a little bit of me speaking about a subject that I kind of like to talk about with real sneakerheads. So thank you so much, guys. I know that it was a lot of time, but thank you so much. See you in the next one.